This is Jamaican curry chicken and it's one of my favorite dish to make. I love the color, I love the smell, I love the taste. Yes, guys. So in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to make it. Stay tuned for more. Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time tuning in, we are a nice little family from Jamaica living in Canada. So the last time I did curry chicken, somebody commented and said that they thought I was gonna actually show the recipe for the curry chickens, and I didn't. So that was kind of disappointing for them. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you step by step how I make my Jamaican curry chicken. Okay. So first you want to get your chicken all washed with vinegar or lime and all cut up. And Jamaican people like to cut up the chicken small when they are curried. Okay. So these are the ingredients that you will be needing to season your curry chicken. So the most important ingredient is going to be the curry powder, of course. Okay. So you're gonna put your curry powder and put enough so that you can give the chicken that nice flavor and nice color, like fully covered and everything. Okay, here I'm going to be adding some seasoning salt, and I don't know, maybe it will be hard to find the season overseas, but in Jamaica for sure you have seasoned salt. And I'm going to add some Maggi soup it up seasoning as well, and my black pepper. Okay, so those are the ingredients that you will need, of course. And then after you put all your seasoning on it, now you're gonna just mix up, stir up your chicken so that all the chicken get covered with the curry powder and everything. Okay, I'm using a fan because I don't want to get the curry on my finger. You know how curry stay? It can actually stain your nails if you use your hand to mix the seasoning in. Okay, once that is done and your thing is well seasoned and ready to go, if you're not cooking it today, you can put it in the fridge for whenever you're ready. Okay, but if you're going to cook it, it's okay to go ahead and cook it right away. Okay, guys, so I'm going to put my oil in, and I have my curry here in the bag, and I'm going to just put a little bit of the powder in the oil to burn. So the reason why we burn the curry is, like, some people the curry affects them, right? When the curry powder season, because as you can see, it's not like a normal seasoning. So people will put like yes, blessing, some she's gonna cook, baby blessing's gonna cook with me. Yeah, so some people burn the curry with garlic or sometimes pepper, just to prevent any kind of belly ache or anything that could happen with this kind of seasoning. Okay, I don't have any pepper in my curry because I have kids, so I usually wait until I take out the kids food, and then I will portion, and then I will put my pepper at the end. Okay, so I have my chicken here all seasoned up, and I'm gonna be adding it to the oil. And, okay, I'm gonna just stir it up right now. That's baby Blessing making all that noise. Can't wait for our curry chicken, maybe. Okay. Okay, so I'm just gonna cover it up there and let it um, spring its own water for now. Okay, so now I'm going to add some water on the chicken. Just add enough to cover your chicken so your chicken can be cooked. Okay.
On like YouTube, we all put it on like the hood, something on the hood. But and when we go to this room,
Okay, so here I have some fresh seasoning. And so I have my sweet peppers, my onion, and my thyme and scallion. Okay, so you can just go ahead and put those in your pot and stir your seasoning in your pot. Okay. Now I'm just gonna be cutting some small carrots to add to the curry chicken. Um, and then just stir this in and let it cook for a little bit. Um, then I'm going to add some Irish potato. I add my Irish potato at the end because at the end of my meal I don't want the potatoes to be like so soft and like cooked out you can't even find it. I don't like it like that, you know. That I want to find little chunks of Irish potatoes in my curry chicken. So that's the reason I do that. And there you have it, your Jamaican curry chicken ready in no time. Yes, guys. And you guys know I am Jamaican, so of course me I could eat my curry chicken with my wild dumpling, my yam, my sweet potato. The only thing we need for that meal is to finger a wild banana. Oh guys, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys liked this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe to my channel for more. Bye.